Welcome to the first episode of TheDon'sCooking. Today we do something that is very important to me, is a Philly cheesesteak, which is a kind of revisitation of it that we do in my town, which is Monte di Procida in Italy, down in lovely, but that's not your problem. Anyway, so we start with cutting meat, peppers and onion, or you can use any other kind of vegetables that you like.
For 3 people, I used 1 gem lettuce, 500 grams of beef meat. I used rump steak, or you can use sirloin or fried steak. 2 peppers, 3 onions, and all.
Okay guys, now we go our time cooking. Splash of olive oil. That one is from Mama. Splash of oil. You start to cook first the veg, so you sweat them down first. You make it very hot the pan. While you wait the pan, you start to cook the bread. But you need to preheat the oven. You won't cook anything, right? So you preheat the oven at 200 degrees. Open up. Great. And you start from the things that takes more to cook, like peppers. To the peppers, as we say. Oh, if you hear this sound, that means that you cooking. If you don't, I'm sorry, man.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I didn't do that. So you toss it through the peppers. Be pretty sure that it doesn't salt. It doesn't give it anything. You put a little bit to sweat it down, to make it soft. Sorry. Voila. As we go along, we put the onions. Put the onions, nice and fairy onion, and then you toss it through again. You toss it through, not like Jamie Oliver. Not like Jamie Oliver.
You got a problem with Jamie Oliver, mate?
Oh yes. He ruined my kitchen, man. The guy, he say, I cook Italian. The only thing he makes Italian is only the name. I'm sorry, Jamie. Sorry. So you cook them down until they are soft. Not very soft because you need still the bite. And I'll suggest you to season the meat first. Just a bit, just to let the meat get the flavor of salt, pepper, or whatever you like. 1, 2, 3. Bio pepper. Voilà. Léger sont faits, rien ne va plus. Bloody French. When they are pretty much like that, you can see they are not that soft, but not that hard. So they must be a little bit cooked. So you need to take off pretty much all the water from it. Then you put it on the side. Put it on the side. A bit more oil. And you can start to cook the meat. That's the time. Help yourself with a wooden spoon when you do that. So you break down the meat. Don't cook it too much, because if you cook it too much, after it's tough. I don't know how the people eat the meat very well done. Okay. When the meat is pretty much like this, you can start to put the veg. Oh, the vegetables! The vegetables, look. A cascata. Voila. So now, when the meat is pretty much done, yeah, you take it off from the oven, because if you do like I did, you forgot the bread. So, we take off the bread. I take the bread out. Okay guys, now is the time of the cheese. The cheese. You put cheese as a portion. You know, you switch off the hob and you place it on it. So the cheese we make, yeah, but cheap cheese slice, very cheap. Doesn't matter. wherever you wanna try. In Italy, we use scamorza, which scamorza is a kind of smoked cheese, which works very well for it. Then you cover to melt the cheese. Sorry. Must be like that pretty much. If you want a double cheese, you put some more. If you don't want it, you don't put it. Easy. As we know, we need to cut bread, obviously. It's an open field again. You can open from the top and you open like that, like a taco, or as I like it, on the side, like that. Whoa. You put the knife, look, come, I say. Look, you slide in, so you don't break anything. What? Look, again, look, show them. Et voila, les cheese sont faits, like something that I like, very. You opens like that. Okay guys, that's the time. Then after, if you want a salad, you put a salad. If you don't want a salad, you don't put anything. Easy. And a close up, man. Look at that. Look.
You can enjoy with any kind of sauce. Did you wash your hands? Wash your hands. Personally, I like it with harissa sauce.
Guys, thank you for watching. Buon appetito! Mamma mia. Ah, please stop.